Welcome to BQR's Fault Tree Analysis Quick Guide. In this example, we will calculate the reliability of a communication satellite using the BQR FTA software. The goal is to calculate failure probability for a 100,000-hour mission. Failure is defined as a state in which the satellite is unable to receive ground transmission or is unable to transmit data to ground stations. The satellite components for this example are power cells, receivers, transmitters, and positioning motors. Redundancies were installed in the satellite for high reliability. 20 power cells were installed and only 17 are required for operating the satellite. 2 receivers and 2 transmitters were installed, where only one of each is sufficient. As well, 3 motors were installed, where only one is sufficient. The redundant motors, receiver, and transmitter are in standby mode until called for. How to construct the FTA model. Begin by setting the mission time and recovery type for the project. No recovery means that when a component failure occurs, it remains failed forever. Next, create the top event, satellite failure. Next, the power cells are modeled using a K-out of N gate. Next, we add the power cell failure and cause. Next, we add the motor failures using a standby gate. The standby motors can easily be created using copy-paste operations. Now we are ready to run the analysis, starting with failure probability calculation. Failure probability during the mission was found to be approximately 25%. Next, we ran the sensitivity analysis to find the leading failure drivers. The power cells were found to be the main failure cause. Suppose that better power cells can be used with a failure rate of 0.75 failure per million hours. This will reduce the satellite failure probability to under 20%. Next, we calculate the minimal cut sets. These are the minimal combined events that can cause the satellite failure. When a cut set is selected, the corresponding events are highlighted. All calculation results can be outputted as reports. Traditional fault tree view is also available and can be printed. Data can be easily imported and exported to other BQR modules such as FMICA using the core database. Several projects can be opened simultaneously and subtrees can be copied from one project to another. The help in Wizard include detailed information for creating, editing, and conducting analysis. Thank you, and for more information, please contact us and visit our website at www.bqr.com.